Hello and welcome back to the AutoFinesse Detailing Academy, where this week it is the turn of this little JDM pocket rocket. Yes, we're getting stuck in to this supercharged EK Civic, and it's actually a friend of ours and a well-known YouTuber that has dropped it off because he's only just purchased it. Now, certain bits of this car are a little bit worse for wear, and we already know there's some bits that we're going to have to call in help for because they're simply beyond detailing. But first things first, we need to get it outside, get it cleaned, get it deconned, then we'll get it back in the bay and show you what we're working with. Let's get on with it. Here we are outside, just about to get stuck into the wash process, but things are going to be slightly different from our usual wash process. You'll notice that on this one, we're not going to start with the wheels. The reason being is they are one of those parts that we feel are beyond detailing. Sure, we could wash them, but to be honest with you, that will be a total waste of our time, and we could spend our energies much more wisely elsewhere, getting something else clean and tidy on the car. So later on, we'll whip those off, we'll send them down the road to be refurbished. Another point that we're not going to attack at the wet work stage here is the engine bay. This car being supercharged has a whole host of modifications under the bay, and it's not really one we're comfortable sticking the pressure washer in and wetting up that way. Usually we're very confident with engine bay cleaning, and we get a lot of comments that say, oh, what are you doing? It's dangerous. In some circumstances it is, but if you know what you're doing and you know where to draw the line, it's totally fine. But on this one, I don't feel confident, the boys don't feel confident, so it's out. We will attack that engine bay in a different way, which you'll see later on in the video, and that will be inside, probably with a hand steamer, some Verso, some brushes, and we'll get into the bits that we feel confident and safe attacking. The job for this one is going to be get as much of the dirt and grime off as possible. It's not going to be some soft contact wash with snow foams and so on. We're actually going to do something a little bit different. We're going to put Verso in a foam lance, get it on that car, and then we're going to get stuck in with the brushes, because that is what is letting this car down the most, is in all those little gaps around the rubbers, around the windows. It's a little bit green, it's looking a little bit tired there, so we're going to get as much of that muck out. Now at this stage it needs a good decon. It's definitely got some iron stuck to it, there's tons of sap over the roof. We'll get all of that off, and then we'll get inside and hopefully get stuck in some polishing and some finer details on those areas we're not touching out here. Let's go.
Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you. No, this ain't what you used to. Switching from the bikes to a new coupe. You know I keep some new shoes. Keep it simple, not like you. All night, get right. Know you know the price. Know you know the name, no games. I need all my money now, not playing, man. This ain't what you used to. I might fly to LA. This cold weather ain't for me. Hit the bank, round your way. What you used to? And I'm grinding to the top. I can't let it slip away, so I gotta get the pay. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you. Calls keep coming in for the win, get it in. This ain't what you used to. So you get on my nerves. Try hit my line, get curved. This ain't what you used to. stack those chips and I get that check. Not what you used to. You see how I live, work my biz. I'm too far from the rest, not what you used to. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new, this ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you.
Double like double up. The money I call up. Double like double up. The money I call up.
2 turns of 4, 4 turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wait. I bet the bank. I set the pace. Guess what I make? That's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still get it rockin'. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff is silent.
Double like double up. The money I call up. Double like double up. The money I call up.
I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe.
You buy watch and bust them down.
Mine is my investment piece.
Heard your mixes drowning out.
You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check it's clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near. Let me shine, watch me shine. I'ma shine, vision clear.
Double like double up. The money I call up. Double like double up. The money I call up.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital. The dash is digital. Go. Digital. The cash is digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why, I never doubted me why, I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win, I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids, that's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends, had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win, you know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold, I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb, I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital. The dash is digital. Go. Digital. The cash is digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm tryna feed my kids. I'm tryna keep my way. I'm tryna live my life while we get rich. Mind my biz. Money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital. The dash is digital. Go. Digital. The cash is digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital. On my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not pressed with making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. For real, 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 for real. Really real, really real, really real, really real. For real, for real, for real, for real. No liens on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick, for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No pictures by the crib, for real. Can't let them know just where I live, for real. For real, 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 for real. Really real, really real, really real, really real. For real, for real, for real, for real. Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'ma wake up, go dumb. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'ma put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. You do you, I do me. I'ma take this overseas. I'ma do this with my seeds. Wife your hair, it's bling bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Swipe for a million, yeah, feel me. You feel me? Walk in the door, shake up the building, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh, yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Don't care, cash got cars. No lean on my cars. Carhartt on my heart. Tattoo on my scars. Tattoo my new scars. My life has been hard. See me in the light. I was in the dark. I wake up, I send it. I wake up, I spend it. I drive Chevy, no Benzes. See me slide, not tenant. My house, yeah, I own that. Your house, yeah, it's rented. Started where the flow at. Now I top the building, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a million, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door, shake up the building, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. On trips I never trip.
No.
Shoulder gotta chill.
Yeah.
My best friend, my chick. My best friend gon' whip. My best friend, she pull up with a stick. My best friend, she pull up, then she skirt off and we dip.